friends! Welcome back to EasyArt Academy. Today, we're going to draw Freddy Fox from Peppa Pig. Let's start by drawing a big triangle for Freddy Fox's head. But make the corners soft and round. Add a small black triangle at the tip for his nose. Now draw two pointy triangle ears on top of the head. Foxes have tall ears, just like Freddy. Draw two small circles for his eyes. Then add a pink circle on one side for his cute cheek. Freddy is always smiling. Under the head, draw a big round circle for the body, like a balloon. Draw two short legs under the body and add small ovals for Freddy's shoes. Add two stick-like arms on the sides and don't forget to draw his tiny fingers. Now draw a big curved tail behind him. It's long and fluffy. It's coloring time! Go over your drawing with a black marker. This makes your Freddy Fox look neat and bold. Color the nose black. Now draw a tiny black dot inside each eye. Use orange for the head, ears, arms, legs, and tail. Add a black tip at the end of the tail. Color the body red. Color the cheek pink. Your Freddy Fox looks amazing! If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to EasyArt Academy for more fun drawings. Bye-bye!